Hey everyone, this is your market update for Tuesday, April 18th, and not a whole lot going on in the market today, either the stock market or the bond market. The stock market initially this morning opened mixed across the board. The Dow and NASDAQ down just slightly at the open, S&P 500 up just slightly. As it stands of a few moments ago, still sitting about the same. Dow is down about 5 points, NASDAQ's down 14, S&P 500 is up just slightly 2 points. Mortgage-backed securities started the day up 3 basis points after having a less than stellar day yesterday, closed down 44 basis points and actually closed below that 50-day moving average, which is that key level of support that we really want to maintain to protect rate pricing moving forward. As it stands a few moments ago, mortgage-backed securities are still at 3 basis points up on the day. Obviously, there's been some variation, but pretty much right now we're where we started the day. I anticipate there's not going to be too terribly much movement throughout the course of the rest of the afternoon either. Not a ton of information that's coming out this week that could really sway the market as it pertains to inflation, employment, things of that nature. I think the market's really looking strongly at basically corporate earnings reports, which we're really still early on in the earnings season. So I think the further we get into earnings season, the more of an impact that those corporate earnings reports will have on the market. The other thing that the market's going to be looking at, as they always do, is members of the Federal Reserve that are slated to speak this week or be interviewed. I think we've had a couple today. One in particular mentioned that they wanted to hike the Fed funds rate by another 0.5% and let it sit there for the duration of the rest of the year to continue to curb inflation. Another one said that they wanted to hike the Fed funds rate up by about another 100 basis points. So we're going to have mixed signals. Different members of the Federal Reserve have different opinions on what's going on and what future actions should be taken. So we'll wait and see how that impacts the market through the rest of the week. There is an initial jobless claims report that comes out on Thursday that will give us an idea of what employment claims filed for the first time as of last week were. So we will continue to keep you updated. I hope that you all have a great afternoon, and I will see you tomorrow.